how to permanently delete your Facebook account using the latest version of the Facebook app. The steps may change slightly with future updates, but this is the current method. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon. Then scroll down and open Settings and Privacy and tap Settings. Next, select Meta Account. From there, tap Manage Account. Then choose Facebook Manage. Now tap Deactivation or Deletion and select the Facebook account you want to remove. Choose Deactivate Profile, then tap Continue. Facebook will ask why you're leaving. Select any reason that applies, then tap Continue again. Before deleting your account, Facebook may offer options such as downloading your information or deactivating your account instead. If you're sure you want to permanently remove your account, continue to the next step. Here, you will follow the instruction step. Finally, enter your Facebook password, review the confirmation screen, and tap Delete Account to finish the process. That's it. Your Facebook account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Remember, if you sign back in before the deletion period ends, you may be able to cancel the deletion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick Facebook tips and step-by-step how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.